Hello! I was inspired to make this video based on a video that I saw from a tiny village from Cornwall. Hello! I decided to make this brief introductory video about my ideal job which I'm searching for, to say what is my ideal job and to briefly describe my qualifications that I think will make me most suitable for it. And if you have any needs, to refer them to me or to send me a similar job. This is me currently. I'm Genevieve Yuzunova, Senior Staff Associate at Columbia University, Zuckerman Mind Brain Behavior Institute. And this is my dream job, a medical director, clinical science and safety, neuroscience, psychiatry, rare and orphan diseases, and immunology. And now to describe very briefly my background. I'm a medical doctor, and after graduating medicine, I obtained ECFMG certification of my MD degree. I have done a 3-year fellowship in psychiatry and clinical psychiatry with Professor Eric Hollander at Albert Einstein College of Medicine. And this is where I did a lot of clinical trials and learned about clinical trials phases 1 through 4, which were investigator-initiated and sponsored by pharmaceutical companies. I have been sub-investigator and primary research coordinator, and I have been involved in all aspects of the clinical trials, starting from the protocol development, from the recruitment of the patients, running of patients through the clinical trials, ensuring the safety, regulatory work, and the correspondence with the CRO, the vendors, and the pharmaceutical industry sponsors. I'm very well aware from my medical doctor training what is required for the safety of the patients, and now I would like to apply all of this knowledge to develop drugs in a pharmaceutical company. And why else I think I would be very suitable for such a job? Because I have also basic and translational research background in neuroscience. I have done a 2-year fellowship in neuroscience on synaptic plasticity at Albert Einstein College of Medicine. Also in psychiatry, I have studied the neurobiology of many psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, depression. I have also experience in neuropharmacology, and I have developed gene therapies not only for central nervous system but for cancer, for infectious diseases, mainly focusing on antisense RNA and oligonucleotides. And last but not least, I have a PhD in immunology, which was on development of monoclonal antibodies for in vivo immunodiagnosis and immunotherapy. And I have developed the regulations which are based on the FDA regulations for efficacy and safety of such products. So I can apply this knowledge in a pharmaceutical company, especially now that we know that the immune system is so important, not only in immune system disorders, but also in psychiatric and neurologic disorders. And antibodies are developed as therapeutics for Parkinson's disease. Another factor which I think is very important for me wanting to work in a pharmaceutical company is my love of patients and my passion to help people and develop new therapies so that they can lead happy and productive lives. And also my father is a pharmacologist, and ever since a little girl I have learned about the drugs and the mechanism of action, and I think that he has sparked in me this interest of drug development. And just to say briefly why I'm looking for a job at this stage, I have been looking for a job in a pharmaceutical company ever since I obtained the training with Professor Hollander, and now the funding in my current position is ending. Thank you very much for your time and attention.